Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. Today is March the 3rd, and we're going to be updating here the long-term outlook for the Gold Miners Junior ETF GDXJ. And here is the monthly time frame, so it's a long-term chart. We finished with 2 in the grand super cycle, so it's a major low here on 2016 at $16.36, and the rally here, we're calling this as a nest. Another alternative will be some sort of a diagonal 1 2 3 4 5, and then pull back before higher again. But regardless, I don't think we're gonna be breaking below $16 anymore, because I think, if it does break below, then technically, from technical point of view, it implies a lower low from here, and then you're going to be looking for 100% extension, which is going to go to negative 97, which is not going to happen, right? It won't ever go to anywhere near zero, so that means it's running out of space on the downside, and most likely that $16 is the bottom. Like, it's a real long-term bottom here. It's not going to ever go back and break below it. So now we have started the next leg up, and we're calling this with 2 completed. Still needs to break above 1 to basically confirm. If I downgrade to the daily time frame, so we can see the pullback was clearly 3 waves. So again, I think based on this structure alone, this is not bearish anymore. The Gold Miners Junior is going to rally higher again. Eventually it's going to break above with 1 here. Now there are 2 paths. If you look at this structure of the rally here, it does kind of look impulsive. That's why I'm leaning towards the more aggressive side and looking for more upside while it stays above this $42. Now the other alternative is doing a double in the wave 2, something like this. So this becomes WX, and then we will have a Y to reach here, 39.40, 100% extension to 161.0%, and 31, where we should be able to find buyers right here. Now regardless, okay, assuming if this really happens, which is the alternative view, because the first leg was clearly 3 waves, that will still suggest eventually this is only a correction. Even if it does go down to 39.42, we should be able to find support and buyers from here and go to new high. Eventually it's going to break above this peak again, which is 55. Now again, I'm leaning towards the more aggressive side, because instead of doing a double, because this structure here looks impulsive, so I think it's best to lean towards the aggressive side and looking for more upside above wave 2 here. So again, it will be confirmed once it breaks above 1. Then the view is going to be confirmed that the next leg higher has truly started. Going down again on the 4-hour, now you can see this rally, like I said, it does kind of look impulsive. And now I think the only question in the shorter cycle is whether this wave 2, this correction here, is over or not. Now that one is kind of like a 50-50. I still give a chance for the downside extension, at least in the shorter cycle, before finishing with 2. Now that I can give a chance. I think it's less likely to break below 41.80, which is this with 2 low, okay, because again, like I said, the rally looks impulsive. But this with 2 here, this correction here, that may actually extend a little bit more, and that should be possible as an alternative view, right? But regardless, I think the whole idea of GDXJ is it is looking bullish, because this one was only 3 waves, which is corrective, and as long as we stay above 41.88, we like it higher. And this is basically this 47.29 low. It still remains to be seen whether this is really in the end of the wave 2, or it may see a bit more downside before we finally turn higher. But for now, as long as we stay above 41.88, we like it higher. Okay, so that's the update here. Now we don't cover GDXJ in our service, but we do cover GDX and gold and so on if you are into precious metals. So you can check out our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.